Ethereum is about to test a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. In the previous video, you guys destroyed the 5 like goal, so let's see if we can get 10 likes on this video. As you guys can see on Ethereum, we currently had a very bullish momentum move at the 1278 support level. We tested that support level many times, and I mentioned in yesterday's video it's going to be extremely important for Ethereum to try to get a close below. If we do not get that close below, this will just be another bounce off support, and that's exactly what happened. We can see that we had multiple tests on the support level and we've bounced pretty much well, but we did get a break here previously. Now with this break though, we mentioned that we can't be looking at a V-shaped formation on like we had the multiple other tests, right? You can see here we had a V-shaped formation. You can see here we had a V-shaped formation. So you want to be careful about entering a V-shaped formation trade. Honestly, when you break a support level, you have to wait for consolidation and trade below. Only then that's a confirmation that we have successfully broken that support level, retested it, and had a massive move to the downside. Now over on Ethereum on the 4-hour chart, you can see that we are shaping a U-shaped formation, right? Over here, you can see that we have a beautiful U-shaped formation being completed, and we might test that resistance level at 1331. You have to be careful of entering a long position here because, again, this can easily drop right back down and have another fake out situation. So for those of you that are looking to take any long positions, you would want to wait until you break above that resistance level, get that confirmation, and then enter a long position. Until then, this can easily just look like something like this and go down, or it can just end up falling from right here, right? So you have to be careful about that. We can see that we are bouncing right off those exponential moving averages, which is a very good indication that Ethereum might be in the short term looking to move up, but we have to be careful about getting those confirmations, right? You can see over on the 1-hour time frame, we have a little bit better of an understanding. On the 1-hour time frame, we do have a nice bounce off those exponential moving averages, but we are heading into overbought territory. So we have to be careful about another move to the downside and then a continuation. You know, this isn't just honestly a staircase up always. You have to be worried about those wicks that pretty much happen, right? You can see that right over here. A lot of traders entered that trade and got wicked right back down and then re-entered and they got hit again. That usually happens quite a bit, mostly on the lower time frames as you're going up. So you have to be careful in make sure any pullback opportunity would be an entry for a long position. Entering a long position right on a green candle is very risky because, again, that pullback can happen extremely fast and you don't want to get caught in between that. Right now, though, we have to keep in mind of that 1331 level, and if we can't break above that 1331 level and we get multiple confirmations, we will be looking for a shorting opportunity on Ethereum. Again, we have to break above that 1331 for us to get that confirmation, or we have to break below that 1278 and ride it all the way back down to the $1,000 level. Now, some of you might be looking at this chart on the 1-hour and saying, okay, well, is this a BART formation? And yes, technically it can be, but we can see something like this, right? We have this massive move, we have this huge formation, and then we come back up here around the resistance level and then a huge BART to the downside. That's also possible on the 1-hour time frame that's looking like. So we have to be mindful of both that situation, right? We can see this scenario A all the way up here at 1331 and a drop, and scenario B is we hit this resistance level and we see a drop. So just keep that in mind when you're looking for a long position. It looks like two scenarios here are more bearish than there are more bullish, right? But from the bullish case, obviously, if we do end a break above here at 1359 and a continuation, that would become extremely bullish for Ethereum around that $1360, $1380 level, and then we can look for a pullback opportunity and then a continuation higher. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.